how to forcefully update plugins in WordPress. You can forcefully update WordPress plugins using the plugin file editor without losing your data or customizations. To find this, go to Plugins and click Plugin File Editor after logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is a PHP file. Plugins are commonly coded in PHP. It shows the name of the plugin here and also the version of this plugin. You can select the plugin you want to edit from this menu. This PHP file has been changed. Now this shows the details of the selected plugin. You need to change the current version and update the file. Click anywhere on this version line and change it to a lower version. And then scroll down and click the Update File button. It shows the success message. We have lowered the version of our plugin, and now let's check whether an update is available. Go to Installed Plugins and find the plugin in the list. See, the update is available now. Click the Update Now button. That's it. We have forcefully updated one of our installed plugins using the plugin file editor. We can update any of the installed plugins without losing data. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.